Hello friends, welcome to my channel Gardenia. Today we'll have a different plant, or you can say tree. You can see the color of the flower, how beautiful it is. It is nothing but Gulmohar. Somewhere in India it is called Krishnachuda, and you'll find, we'll have a slide, one or two, about this plant, about this tree, and what are those, what are the importance of this tree, and how it's being used all over the world, and it is very native to India, and very much popular in this part of the world. It's because it gives it is used as a avenue plantation tree, and you can see this tree is having in summer, when you think of scorching sun and the color of the everywhere it is dry, and it is not not so pleasing. At that time you'll find nature is very kind to us. It has given us so many things. When you find that nothing is great happening around, and we feel hot, warm, whatever, maybe because of temperature, very uncomfortable, and some of those trees flowering, particularly the nature has given us, is giving a beautiful color to our life. When you see that everything is dry in and around, suddenly you will find so many plantation, avenue crops, avenue trees, and this is one of them. There are many. You can say amalthus, also this time of the year in summer it comes to flower. But look at this Gulmohar. This is really beautiful, and when nothing is around, you'll find this tree gives us a pleasant sight. It looks so beautiful, and it is all over the world, because it's very much tropical, this part of the world, and you'll find this tree is really beautiful. And look at the color of the flower, and this gives an aesthetic value in scorching summer, and it attracts many small and big birds, animals to it, and it's really beautiful, isn't it? Let's talk a bit more about this tree. This tree, you'll find many parts of India, mostly in the roadside plantations, in the footpath, and many educational institutions across India, where you'll find this tree takes the center stage. We are in one of the most beautiful campus in India, and one of the most beautiful institute in India. You'll find look at this. This tree really gives a beautiful look to this campus. It is summer, nothing is I find everywhere it is dry. The COVID period, and things are things are not really good, but at least this tree gives smile in your face, and you can see. And I am pulling one branch. Look at this. Isn't it so beautiful? It gives a beautiful color, and it adds color to your life. That's what actually this I thought of taking a few minutes video bites for this tree, and this tree is very much important, adding spice to our life, adding love, color to our life. When you don't find anything around us, and suddenly you'll find the blossoming of this tree, and look at this color, absolutely amazing. It gives I can't explain how I feel when I take this photograph and the video of this tree, and thanks to nature that has given us so many things to enjoy. So friends, we need to take care of our, this is our heritage, this is a beautiful tree. We need to take care of our nature. And nature gives us everything. We cannot destroy. We cannot, So, at the end of the day, the message is that we should plant a tree which gives, life to us. When we, in hot, scorching summer, we can sit, underneath of a tree and enjoy, and it provides oxygen, so tree is very much important to our lives, and we should respect and plant the tree. We should not cut down trees, and the message is very clear and loud. We need oxygen, isn't it? And the importance, it was there, but now everybody feels, when the COVID period, there is shortage of oxygen in and around the world, and particularly in India. At that time, you'll feel how much important trees are in our life. They provide us oxygen, the life support system of every human being. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. Thank